Oh yeah! Yeah!
Top water. Woo. Look at that rod. Nice fish. Woo.
Oh yeah!
That's the one I dropped.
Yeah! Come on, Daddy. Come on in the boat. Let's get you in the boat. Ah, yeah, nice fish.
Big boy. Watch those hooks.
Oh yeah.
Pliers?
Look at that.
Wow. Look at that.
He's been caught before. That wasn't from me.
Wow.
Nice fish, top water. Thank you, buddy. Thank you for doing that. That was
Awesome.
That's super fun. Now, forget.
There we go. Need the pliers for this one. Come here, buddy. Oh, almost.
Oh! That was cool. He got that.
All right. We found the fish. There's a lot of bait fish jumping around out here. There we go. I casted right into the bait jumping. What do we got? Nice calico. Woo! Get over here, buddy. Chasing that bait. Fatty. Oh, he came off. Oh, that counts, right?
Yeah. He'll always remember, though.
Yeah.
You didn't tell him to forget. He'll never find another lure again.
Oh, man. Come on. Where are those fish at? There we go. Pulling a little bit of drag. Come here.
Yeah.
Come here,
Anybody
fish.
can get him in the mouth.
Oh, I got him in the mouth and the side.
Nice.
Come here, buddy. All right, relax. Come here. All right, little fish chaser. Ooh. Got one?
Tight bait.
Add it to the list.
Add it to the list. Forget.
Fast. Here we go. Come here, boy. Ooh, pull that drag. Come here. All right. Nice barracuda. All right, buddy. Uh-oh. Get out of here.
Oh, little buddy.
Mama,
Mama. Forget.
Woo! Bye.